In the aftermath of an altercation on Sunday in Muktapur under Amlaram subdivision involving the officer in charge of Muktapur Veterinary Dispensary, Dr. Sebok Langbuam, and two border security force personnel near Lakro Shiv Mandir, Hawai Tila in West Jaintia Hills district, the Khasi Students Union War Jaintia Circle met the SDO Amlaram on the 12th of February 2024. They demanded appropriate action against the individuals responsible for disrespecting Dr. Buam. Additionally, the student body disclosed that they have reached out to the chairperson of the State Human Rights Commission, the Home Ministry and the BSF Meghalaya Frontier Headquarters, urging them to address the issue to prevent such incidents, especially targeting local residents and the broader community.
Bangladesh ke?
We have the power to do that thing. Next time we will do to like this also, no? Because you think you have problem now because you are the one who to commit the crime.
अरे सीधा सीधा
मत बनाओ
When you stop us, then why you stop us? You stop us already. You say country.
Where is the culprit?
Yeah.
Speak letter.
You want the country.
You bring false
Otherwise,
culprit.
you
Speak
are the
letter.
one who commit the crime. Who told him to do the things? The crime.
Dua hanya
We are not expecting you to demand you. Because that one is not in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh
Toh nakaliang jom ke Khasi Students Union War Jaintia Circle amenta kasngi ilawan mi Ahmad jong SDO Amlaram banyak keren banyak tai halor ke jingjia ke bajia main kasngi kung kaseng ni pengemjur pat ni dap ke jingshongsi ba nakapor sakapor ki parado persnam jongi kisah tompor hakini ki beriu ki budon kapor pan page segi jeka kapot itip ba ki BSF dan tegi defense ke kamram jong ki banyada yo put jong kari berban syakri ya ginong senang handre pause pade ke eg bejia kamtam shuni ka than jongi naduk kinong rap naduk kinong let yol let hat ki syapan thot man la kapor macpat kamau kala aja hagi than sim ro baladon ka jingya ther kuliro nakaliang jong BSF kalong ke eg bersosi kamtam ya jingjia ke bahmenin ke belaja ya wei parado parasnam jongi bedeiro wei nong tre jongga beritri kaseng kala simkhia nadu menin kesngi banya don bat dengkat batu banya keren shobangi kendu bat SDO ro leyo ban kendu yu bangile pon sngau shu bakaseng hi kadon dengkat batu kamtam bat ki nong snong jongi than border lah kono kopor bakadon kam Jadi kajing keren jongi yo SDO menta kesngi kalau ngobes iso nomor nakaliang jong uhi ulan unsa communicate syaki haya authorities jongga BSF 4 Battalion kebadan hapo umpling ngikermen ba nakaliang jongga department kan simi ya kata corrective measures ban regulate ya kani ka rokom trekam ke jonggi BSF kenang ba kinong snong kin don ke jing sngan ngila yo hi ke jing tip na i ba sebok buam sebok lak buam ba nakaliang jong i ila failu ya ka FIR persya ya kini ki nong thambor ni kita ki BSF di ngatrai ketu kenyat la ke jong ke bentah di nakaliang jong keseng hi ngising tu bakaladon kata ka jing penken ka an nakaliang jong ini ki BSF bangila ila thoru syaka chairperson jong ka state human rights commission bangin pha jing thoru sha home minister bantek lakam ya kini ka kom trekam jong ini BSF di nakaliang jong keseng hi ka penrumjur biang sesin ya ka jing le tomen jong ini BSF ya we nagi paradok persnam jong ini bat ngingit scam balang ba kani ka mat bangila sim bat ngila wanra kamat USDO kalong ko bay seso bat kanom jesu nang ni sakmat